Hi there, my name is Kristy Alexander. I'm the founder and chief big heart of Apple Rose Beauty. Apple Rose Beauty is a luxurious organic face care line formulated with sensitive skin beauties in mind. We also have a big heart mission to end human trafficking. Our company is actually named after two victims of human trafficking I met. Their names were Apple and Rose, and our big heart mission is to end human trafficking by employing survivors of human trafficking and supporting organizations involved in their rescue and rehabilitation. So our products tackle tough skin issues such as oily skin, dry skin, acne, and signs of aging, and do the work without irritating your sensitive skin. So I have been in the e-commerce space for about 5 years now, and I've done a lot of things in terms of marketing with e-commerce like we all do. I've used several landing page platforms to create landing pages for my offers and for my products. And I started using Zipify Pages about a year ago, and it has by far been the easiest the easiest platform to use. So that's one of the biggest things that I love about Zipify Pages. It's seamless and easy to use. Before using Zipify Pages, I worked for a long time with another large landing page platform, very well known, that was somewhat easy to use in terms of setting up the page itself, but there was a lot of work that went into actually getting the page up and running, from creating new domains to hosting those domains, to setting up mapping things in the background, to having to figure out how to get orders out of the system to get it into our shipping system in Shopify. So it was just a lot of work that went into building each landing page. And so it took a lot longer to get it up and running, and then once we got it up and running, it took a while to tweak the pages when we were testing. So it was just really cumbersome to use, and so I was on the search for another platform that would actually work well with our current website, which is on Shopify. And so when I found Zipify Pages, it was truly an answer to prayer. It's a platform that works seamlessly with Shopify. It pretty much uses the same website, the same domain as your Shopify store. And it's pretty much like adding a page onto the Shopify platform. So there's not any coding or any mapping or any additional hosting or anything like that that has to be done afterwards. So what that does is that we're able to get landing pages up and running within minutes for very simple landing pages, or within hours for more technical pages. So I really love the ease of doing that. It also makes it easier for us to make changes and to test those changes quickly, so we can truly get our pages up and running and really put ourselves in a position to scale. So I use Zipify Pages for everything that's an extension of my website. So I use Zipify Pages to create sales pages, shorter sales pages to long form sales pages where we explain a lot about our product benefits, and we actually talk in more detail about our mission. We can truly explain to the customer why they would need our products, and truly how it can make the world a better place. I also use it for shorter sales. So when we have sales around Black Friday or Valentine's or Mother's Day, we use Zipify Pages as a way to direct the traffic and really get them honed in on what we're actually promoting. I also use it for my product pages, and it's really cool because like I said, it integrates seamlessly with Shopify. So there's not a lot of coding that has to be done in the background. So I could play around with elements on the product page and really optimize that page for conversions. I also use it for simple opt-in pages, for giveaways that we do when we do collaborations with other brands or with influencers. It's really easy to set up an opt-in page and connect that opt-in page to Klaviyo. So the emails come directly into Klaviyo, and we're able to send our customers through an email series, let them know about the giveaway winner, and all of that is really easy to do, really easy to set up with Zipify Pages. My favorite features on Zipify Pages, one is the best offer comparison box. It makes it really easy to show customers the product side by side and really kind of list out the benefits and show them the best offer and actually highlight that box. So it's a really, really cool feature, and it looks really professional on the landing page. I also like how easy it is to add videos to a landing page. So there's not a lot of code that has to happen. You pretty much just link it to the YouTube video, and it pulls in the thumbnail and everything, and it's very easy to include videos. So I love that feature. I also love how Zipify Pages connects with our Shopify catalog. So it's really easy to link a product. You can pretty much select it in the Zipify Pages app without creating a new buy box and linking it manually. So it's really kind of plug and go, select the product with certain elements when you're creating the pages. So it's really, really easy to connect to the Shopify catalog. I also love that we have the option to use the header and footer from our website on the Zipify page. So it really looks like a seamless part of the website, and the customers are not privy, or they don't see anything different if you use those features on the Zipify Pages. So I love how easy it is to integrate with Shopify and with my other apps on Shopify as well. I also enjoy the fact that it goes through the Shopify checkout model. So whatever checkout system I'm using on Shopify, if I'm using, Stripe or Afterpay or any other of those applications, Zipify Pages allows me to take the customer through that checkout process without having to do any additional coding. So that's really, really exciting. So my options are pretty much limitless with Zipify Pages, and I truly, truly enjoy that benefit to it. Since I've been using Zipify Pages and driving traffic from my Facebook ads to Zipify Pages versus driving them directly to my product page, I've been able to get an 8% conversion rate. In my industry, the average e-commerce conversion rate is about 3%. So 8% is more than double that, and that's because I've been able to really focus customers on the benefits of that particular product, and really be able to tell our story in a succinct, manageable way on one page. And I'm grateful to Zipify Pages for the opportunity to do that. If you're thinking about using a landing page app, if you're thinking about really narrowing down the options for customers so you can simplify the decision-making process for them, if you're really thinking about creating an extension of your website in an easy, seamless way where you can include your reviews, add plugins. That's another thing I really love about Zipify Pages. I can actually link my review system onto the page, and it pulls all the reviews in seamlessly, again, without having to do any coding. So Zipify Pages is really, really top notch. I encourage you to try it out. I think it's the best landing page software out there for e-commerce brands that are on Shopify. And so I encourage you to test it out, try it out, and I'm sure you'll fall in love with it the way I did.